Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve some of the question answer from the chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. Our next set of question is from page number 39. In this first question we have to write the molecular formula for all these 4 compounds. First is sodium oxide. So when we are writing molecular formula, first step is to identify atoms. What all atoms are present into that. So sodium is Na and oxide is oxygen. Here 3 things we need to remember. First, the symbols of the atoms. Second, combining capacity or valency of that particular atom. And if there are any polyatomic ions like sulfate, SO4, then we need to remember sulfate, sulfide, sulfite. So we need to remember the molecular formula of that polyatomic ion also. So for all this detail, I have made one separate video. I have given that link in the description. You can go through that video and then again come back to this. So here sodium, we know that its valency is 1 and oxygen's valency is 1. So now it's easy that we will do crisscross method and we will write the molecular formula that Na2O. And I have also made one separate video that how to write molecular formula. So if you have any doubt that how to write this, please go through that video. I have given the link in the description for that as well. Second, aluminium chloride. So aluminium is Al and chloride is Cl. Now aluminium's combining capacity or valency is 3, whereas for Cl it is 1. So by a crisscross method we will get Al1. So we will not write that AlCl3. So aluminium chloride. Then third, sodium sulfide. Sodium is Na and sulfide is S. Sulfide, IDE. So it is S. Now Na is 1 and sulfur's valency is 2. So by a crisscross method we will get Na2S. So it is sodium sulfide. Now magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium is Mg and hydroxide. What is hydroxide? It is polyatomic ion and it is OH. So its valency is 1 whereas magnesium's valency is 2. So by crisscross method we will get MgOH. Now with OH this 2 will go. But since this is polyatomic ion, we have to make a bracket here and then we will write 2 here. Because this is polyatomic ion and we need to show that OH as a whole is 2 in this molecular formula. So this is how we can write molecular formula for any compound. Our next question. Write the name of the compound. Earlier we have written a molecular formula from the compound's name. Here from the molecular formula we have to write the name of the compound. How we will write the name of a compound? In this first we are going to see that how many types of ions are present or how many types of atoms are present. So in this first is aluminium and then second this is polyatomic ion and it is sulfate. SO4 is sulfate. So this is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Then second, this is calcium and this is chlorine. But when it is attached with one atom as a chloride ion, then the name is calcium chloride. Now third one, potassium and sulfate. This is potassium, this is sulfate. So name is potassium sulfate. Then fourth one, this is potassium and this is nitrate. So the name is potassium nitrate. But this can be small. Nitrate. So this is potassium nitrate. Then in this One calcium is there, and this is again a polyatomic ion. This is carbonate. This is also polyatomic ion. This is nitrate. This is carbonate. So this is our calcium and then carbonate. Calcium carbonate. It is very easy, and once you will prepare the name of the polyatomic ion and some of the ion which name will be different when they are in the compound. It is chlorine, but when it is in the compound we will say chloride. So these small things you need to remember, and it will be very easy for you to answer such type of questions. Our third question is, what is the meaning for chemical formula? What is the chemical formula? That it is a symbolic representation of its composition. For example, chemical formula of sodium chloride. So this is symbolic representation. So by writing this molecular formula, we will get to know that how many atoms are present into that, and those one particular atom also present in which quantity. For example, CaCl2. In this 2 chlorine atom are there, and in this 1 chlorine atom is there. So we will know the composition as well. So what is a chemical formula? It is a symbolic representation of its composition. Of whose composition? Of compounds composition. Now fourth, how many atoms are present in H2S molecule? So in this first, how many atoms are present? So 2 atoms of hydrogen is present into this, and 1 sulfur atom is present into this. So how many atoms? Total 3 atoms present into H2S, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of sulfur. Then in this ion, this is polyatomic ion. Polyatomic, that means more than 1 atom's ion is this. So polyatomic ion is PO4 minus 3. This is phosphate ion. So in this, 1 phosphorus is there and 4 atoms of oxygen are present in this one particular ion. So with this, it will be PO4 and its valency is minus 3. So this is polyatomic ion, phosphate ion. In this, 1 phosphorus and 4 atoms of oxygen are present. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.